The NGV in Melbourne, Australia, is Australia's oldest and most visited public art gallery. The National Gallery of Victoria opened in 1861 and today is one of the world's most popular galleries with over 1 million visitors yearly. Located in the center of Melbourne, it houses one of the most impressive and diverse collections of artworks spanning various periods, styles, and cultures. The main exhibition space and collection are housed at the Arts Centre on St Kilda Road, with its iconic spire and waterfall facade. At the same time, the Ian Potter Centre at Federation Square showcases only Australian art. The NGV Melbourne Museum features blockbuster exhibitions annually, such as Pierre Bonnard. In the winter of 2023, these temporary exhibitions at the oldest and most visited Australian museum draw new visitors annually. The NGV is an absolute must-visit destination for art enthusiasts, culture seekers, and anyone who appreciates creativity and beauty. With its diverse and extensive collection of artworks from international artists, the NGV offers a unique opportunity to immerse oneself in art and creativity. For art lovers, the NGV presents a chance to witness masterpieces by renowned artists from various periods, including European classics, Asian treasures, and contemporary gems. From the grandeur of old masters to the vibrancy of modern art, the NGV provides a rich tapestry of artistic expression. For more informative videos, please do watch our other travel guide and information series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.